Students, this is your teacher Javed Iqbal. Today I'm going to tell you about the grammar portion of unit number 1, the savior of mankind. So in the previous chapter we did question answers and word synonyms, and now in this chapter, in this current chapter of this exercise, what we are going to do, we are going to do the exercise, and exercise that is on page number 9. The topic is adjective, and this is on book page 9. So first of all, let me tell you about the definition of adjective. That what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that modifies the noun and pronoun. It means that adjective is a part of speech which comes before the noun, it comes after the noun, or sometimes it modifies a pronoun. It comes instead of a pronoun. It describe or point out a person, place or thing, or tell the number of quantity. Sometimes it describes the person, or sometimes it describes the place. Let's suppose I can give you the example. Like here in the given example, we have a famous poet. Now in this example, poet is a noun, but the word famous, that is the adjective. This word famous is describing the quality of the poet, that he is a poet but he is a famous poet. Okay, so in this example, famous is an adjective which is describing a noun, poet. Okay, so same is the case. So students, that this exercise is very simple. Okay, what you have to do, you are going to solve this exercise in the book as well, and I will share with you people the solution of this exercise with you people in the book as well. Okay, so what you have to do, a famous poet. In this example, famous is an adjective. Students, you have to receive the solution of this exercise regarding adjective in the WhatsApp group as well. So next with the topic is conditionals. That is on page 10, book page 10 and 11. The first conditional tells us about the situation which usually occurs in present and in future. The first conditional tells us about the situation which usually occurs in present or in future. For example, if they arrive late, they will miss the bus. Okay, so the first conditional sentence is a kind of sentence which usually happens in present and in future. Okay, like always we start the conditional sentence with the word if. हम हमेशा कंडीशनल सेंटेंस को इफ़ के वर्ड से स्टार्ट करते हैं, बिकॉज ये कंडीशन होती है. अगर एक सर्टेन कंडीशन फुलफिल होगी है तो सेकंड कंडीशन विल फुलफिल, वो भी होगी. अगर वो नहीं होती तो सेकंड विल नॉट फुलफिल. इफ़ के बाद जो नेक्स्ट वर्ड, दे अराइव लेट, दैट इज द प्रेजेंट टेंस. Next, after the comma, they will miss the bus, that is the future tense. So in this way we come to know that in the first conditional sentence we use the present tense and we use the future tense as well. So students, in the same case we will receive the solution of this conditional exercise in WhatsApp group. So be careful while copying it on your book. Rather you are going to do it on the book, or you are going to solve it on the need copies. So be careful that there should be no mistake. So if you have any query, any problem, you can come to the school and you can discuss with me. I'm here and I'm here to give you the answer. So inshallah, see you in the next class. Thank you beta, thank you. Allah Hafiz.